We're just going to test out the video accuracy of turning it. It's been super cold this month as winter has made a home here in Canada, but that never stops me from exploring nature. I'm here in Fingal today exploring a wildlife management area that once homed an Air Force and bombing school from the war. And in certain places you can still see remnants of this historic establishment. I've secretly become a bit of a birder over the years, and I love to look for new species of birds when I'm out on the trails. This week in particular, there were a few woodpeckers and many juncos looking for food amongst the snow, leaving footprints along the way. I love birds, and I've always believed they were messengers of spirits of loved ones. So I'm here at Solitude Nature Reserve, which is a privately owned property that is accessible to the public, and you can even camp here. The only rule is that you have to be quiet. And it looks like I'm the only one here, so I love when that happens. And yeah, let's get hiking. smell campfire. Every time I visit this part of the trail, it reminds me of Narnia. Maybe I will run into the Ice Queen and she will lure me in with some Turkish delight. And I don't think I'd say no. Oh my god, I just had a panic attack. The car wouldn't turn over and I was freaking out. I thought the battery was dead, but it's not. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, so that means I'm in the salon today. I have a pretty busy day ahead, and after work I get to go out for lunch with one of my clients, and then later tonight we are doing a sound bath at one of the local yoga studios. Later that evening, we headed over to my friend Miriam's yoga studio for an amazing sound bath experience. Her place is warm and inviting, and guess who painted those murals at her doorway? Oh, it smells lovely in here. It's so cold.
That's so cool.
Sometimes people will.
Are you gonna fly away?
Whoa!
Happy Saturday. Today is a pretty lazy day. The weather is kind of crappy. It's a combination of rain and snow and wind and gray, so we just did a little walking around town and we decided to pick up a little treat from my friend Miriam's bakery, and we're gonna sit down with a tea and probably watch a movie and just chill for the rest of the evening. Mark and I decided to take a quick walk this morning before a cold snap took place, and birds were definitely a theme here this week. We even made a furry new friend before heading home to cozy up and make a yummy Sunday dinner. Hello. Hi. Well, that brings us to the end of another vlog, dear friends. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for a new adventure.